who it's for those with dry, damaged or color-treated hair. Hair types: straight, wavy, curly and coily hair. What it is: a daily, clinically proven, super moisturizing hair conditioner that strengthens damaged, dry hair and helps prevent future breakage. It is best used between your regular deep conditioning mask routine for enhanced results. What it does: this conditioner is clinically proven to decrease hair breakage after 2 uses. Repairs dry, damaged hair with hydration and moisturization. Highlighted ingredients: formulated with algae extract, panthenol, and an argan oil microencapsulation technology to visibly repair breakage and strengthen hair. 95% naturally derived. Safe for color-treated, keratin-treated, chemically treated, and relaxed hair. Microencapsulated argan oil. Repairs damage along the hair cuticle to leave hair healthier, stronger, smoother, and more hydrated. Algae extract. Rich in minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, and vitamins to nourish and strengthen the hair and protect the scalp from free radical damage. Panthenol. Enhances the effects of hair elasticity, moisture retention, and flexibility. Top review from the United States. Price. Good stuff but way overpriced for the amount given. Spent $120. At most should be at least half that price. Just my thoughts.